Hi everyone, welcome to TunesKit channel. If you want to change your iPhone's location without jailbreaking it, there are several safe ways to do it. Whether you're trying to access geo-restricted apps, protect your privacy, or play location-based games. Method 1. Use a VPN. Download and install a VPN app which can select a region. Open the app, choose a server in the location you want to appear from. Your IP-based location will be changed. A VPN can change your IP address but not your actual GPS location, so a VPN alone may not be enough for gaming or map-based apps. Method 2. Change your Apple ID region. To do this, go to Settings. Tap your name at the top. Go to Media and Purchases. Tap View Account. Sign in with your Apple ID password. Select Country/Region. From the list, select your new country or region. Review and agree to the terms and conditions. Update your payment information if needed. This doesn't change your GPS location, but it does let you access region-restricted apps directly from the App Store. Method 3. Use TunesKit Location Changer. This is the easiest and most reliable way to spoof your iPhone location. This method works on any iPhone model and doesn't require any technical skills. First, download and launch the software on your computer. Connect your iPhone using a USB cable. Click Next. Choose General Mode, turn on Developer Mode according to the guide. After the Developer Mode is activated, you don't need to do this again the next time this device enters the program. After entering the map, you can either click on any spot on the map or enter an address in the search box. Click Start Modifying, your location will be changed. Check your iPhone, the iPhone location changed successfully. You can also simulate movement by setting routes and speeds, which is helpful for apps that rely on walking or driving activity. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.